Hey Heather, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with you the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you three ways you can potentially increase your traffic online and really build up that customer base. So with that, let me get started. So, you have a lot of good things going on here at the top. You have your phone numbers, which is great, your email, so a lot of ways to convert. Um, you have all your services financing, so you're doing a lot of good things in terms of having your socials here, having a lot of ways for people to convert with the financing, with all that stuff, badges, a lot of good things that you're doing. The one thing I would say is that there's just not a ton of content here. And content is anything that you can highlight, whether it be pictures, text, and really you want a lot of content for two reasons. The first is so that you could be found for specific keywords, and you are being found for a lot of keywords, 25 of them, and most of them are really good buyer intent keywords, right? Murtaugh restorations, which is great. You're number one for your name. That's always good when you can run your name, but as you can see here, anything else, like you look at siding repair, um, roofing, you're on the third page and beyond, third, fourth, fifth. So you're just too far down to get much traffic. But, say I want to rank for, let's say roofing Syracuse, New York, right? It's 400 searches a month. I would have that as a heading. I don't see any headings here. I would have it within my content. I would even save an image as that keyword. So instead of this image being Atlas logo, it would be roofing Syracuse, New York. And when you have that content and those headings in the those keywords in the text, saved as photos, it allows you to rank faster and more efficiently. It also, Google crawls your site. They see that you have that keyword, exactly as it's listed, and you're more likely to be ranked with that. And then the more content you have, the more likely Google feels that you're going to be an expert in your field. They just kind of equate content to um, expertise. So content's super important, and not only on your homepage but uh, throughout your entire site. And really, you want to do that for siding, gutters, interior remodeling, window and door installations, everything that you do. You want a lot of content there, and you want those keywords there. So that would be my first tip. My second tip would just be to really give yourself a wide variety of ways to be seen for any given keyword. And what I mean by that is when someone's searching for roofing in Syracuse, right? They're searching for roofing Syracuse, New York. There's a lot of ways they can convert. The first is these local ads. A lot of times above the fold here is Google ads, and then you have your Google business profiles, and then you have the organics. Well, you kind of want to be seen in as many places as possible. Like as you can see, blue collars here, and I would probably think that they would be ranking as well, which they're not. But they're putting themselves in a position to be seen, and that's kind of what you want to do. These local ads convert at a pretty high level. A lot of times are really people really trust them because Google guarantees the work that up to a certain dollar amount. So, those are pretty effective, pretty useful. The Google ads, which are usually here, you have more control than you would the local ads, the Google guaranteed, but they tend to convert at a lower rate, usually about 3 to 5%. But they're about impressions, right? You get a lot of impressions. You can build a pretty decent sized ad that gets above the fold that everybody sees. So there are a lot of things that you can do there with those Google ads. And then these Google business profiles pull up to 40% of the traffic. So, this particular keyword that has 400 searches, you're looking at, what is that, 160, right? 180 searches a month, just going to these three Google business profiles, and then obviously ranking organically as well. So if you're here, if you're running an ad, you're here, and you're here, you're going to pull as much traffic as you can. And last but not least, really build up the strength of your site so that you can rank organically, right? And how you do that is by adding referring domains or websites that send links back to your site. And what that does is that improves your strength and power, and that'll help you rank on more keywords, and it'll help drive you up those rankings to get more traffic. And just to show you what that looks like, this is the roofing guys. They're there in Syracuse, and 64 referring domains, 38 of which are do follow links sending power. Stronger site, a lot more keywords that they're ranking on, and they're getting 765 clicks a month. So lots of traffic coming to their site. So this is something that you can potentially do. Follow some of the steps and things that other roofing companies are doing. Again, you do this for all your services. So whether it's roofing, siding, gutters, whatever it may be, these rules apply for everything. So I hope this has been helpful. Hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Would love to get your feedback on the video. But with that, have a great day and God bless. Thanks.